In this video, I want to show you how to solve the problem of plug-in not charging issue in your laptop. Sometimes you may plug in the charger to your laptop. It will show indication of being plugged in, but not charging. If you are having that issue with your laptop, in this video, I want to show you two basic ways to solve it. The first method of solving this problem, come to this start icon and click on it. Then come to settings, click on settings. When the setting page opens, come to update and security. Then come to this left hand side and locate troubleshoot. Click on it. Then come to this additional troubleshooters. When it opens, look for power. Here is it. Click on power. Click on run the troubleshooter. So this will detect any issue with your power. And here you can see troubleshooting as completed. No changes or updates were necessary. Then, if there is any problem with your battery or the power system that make it not to be charging, this process will resolve it. Then you can now plug in again and check if it is charging. If this one doesn't work, then let me show you the second method. So let's close these pages. Here is the second method. Come to search and search for device manager. Here is it. Click on it to open the device manager. When it opens, let me maximize it. Then come to batteries. So here you can see Microsoft AC adapter. So what you need to do is to right click it and click on update driver. Then click on search automatically for drivers. It will search for driver automatically and update it. You can see the best driver for your device are already installed. Then you can close this. Likewise, the Microsoft ACPI, right click it and update driver. Click on search automatically for updates. This will search for updates and install the latest driver for your system. Hopefully, one of these two methods will solve the problem. So let's know in the comment section which of these two methods solve your problem. Thank you for watching.